What's going on, YouTube people? Man, we want to, first of all, we broke 350 subscribers today or yesterday. I can't remember what day it was, but I want to personally thank all you guys that are here on my channel, that hit the like button, that subscribe, that comment, that ask questions. You know, this is what we're here for. We're here to help you in any kind of which way we can as far as appliance repair goes and appliance repair questions. But the Childress family would like to thank all you for that's giving us the support. And we want to continue to grow this thing. We want to continue, you know, our goal is to reach 500 subscribers now. We have 350. Once we reach 500, the next goal will be 1,000. But until then, we're thankful. We're thankful for the guys that are, you know, that tune in to watch us. So we got great content that's getting ready to come out. We moved into a new place, so that gives me the ability, because I have a garage now, I can break stuff down and do some more videos, and that's what the future is for the channel. So we thank you guys. The Childress family thanks you guys, and y'all keep rocking and be blessed out there. All right, take care.